Shreya and I hope all of you are just doing good. So today I'm back with another video, and this video is a bit different from other videos because it is going to be a Guess the Chocolate challenge. And here you are seeing my sister along with me, and she will be helping me out with this video. So let's begin with this video. And the rules are so simple that the person who is going to guess the chocolate will have a blindfold on her eyes, and they have to guess the chocolate, and the other person will be giving her a piece of the chocolate. So let's start with the video. So first she will be blindfolding me and I'll have to guess the chocolates. So yeah, let's start.
So yes, we are starting with the video, and my first chocolate is this. So let's see.
Crispello.
No. We'll move on to another one now. My another chocolate is this.
Sneakers.
Yeah, but not the normal one. So you're not right.
Sneakers is fine.
No, it's not fine.
It's fine.
No, it's not. Because you already have two types in that. So you have to guess the right. See?
Snickers almond.
My fourth chocolate is this. Yeah. So, what do you think?
Snicker.
Yeah, you are right this time. So we are going with the fifth chocolate. Okay. Where's the chocolate? Yeah, take.
Milky bar.
Yeah. That was the and sixth chocolate is this.
Nut something.
Not, but you have to say the name.
Munch 3D.
Yeah. No, even that's wrong.
That's right.
No, that's not wrong.
Why?
Because it's Munch Nuts, not 3D.
The nuts I already said.
No, but you said.
So now in the same manner I'll be blindfolding her and she'll have to guess the chocolate. So let's blindfold her. So my first chocolate is this one.
Snickers.
Right. So my next chocolate is this one.
You. It's too sticky. Oh. Normal Snickers?
No.
It has peanuts. Munch Nuts?
No.
Then?
Now your two chances are already over. It's Fuse.
Okay.
My next chocolate is
This is Dairy Milk Marvelous Creations.
So my next chocolate is this one.
Snickers almond.
Yeah. my next chocolate is getting the name.
Galaxy.
Right. So that was all about Guess the Chocolate video, and I let her win because it was first video to get her.
No,
so I just let her win. So
No.
yeah, and also she was cheating. So you should be thankful that I am inviting you to my channel.
Oh,
and you are
thank you.
So that was all about the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.